Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. It's hashtag no paper left behind day. My hashtag no paper left behind challenge that I am doing with myself to use an entire 12 by 12 paper pad in a month. Today is the 17th and this is what I have to share today. I still have the book I'm working on, and I made those cards. I'm not doing a lot of decorating of stuff because I don't know what I'll need to put in the book. And then I still have all of those die cuts and the ones I got out of the paper pad and stuff. So I have to not use every single piece at once. So I'm hoping to get the book finished and maybe a couple more big projects. Plus, like I said, tighten up some of the ones I've already done so that you can see. I also want you to know that I still can't stop myself from saving all my scraps and using them. Like one would think, oh, well, you die cut something out of this. Isn't that garbage? No. If you see on this little pocket, there's like two little flags. Yep, that came from that scrap I just showed you. So, but here is the pad. I don't know why the pad looks like it maybe grew some paper because I thought it looked like there was way less last week, but I know we used a bunch. I don't think I really want to count them all right now. 1, 2, 3, maybe I will, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and quickly 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23. I've used more than half of the pad. Yay! So that's pretty good, right? I'm proud. So what did I make this week? Okay. Yes, I used the, everybody seemed to love these little, great, the neighbor's dog is barking. I'm zooming all the way in. These little star rosettes that I had made for my embellishment books. So I made more of them. And these are the stickers that go with the Along the Way collection. Remember, it's a pack and it's got 3 sheets, white, pink, and black. So I got that from there and I put it in the middle. And that's what I did with this one too. And if you see this one, the point goes in, but on this one, the point comes out if you fold it in the opposite direction. I just thought it was cool. And I made 2 more. I put a little pearl type bling in the middle. So I made 4 of those. I made a bunch of bows. Excuse me, bows. I made this like ruffled edge die for the large and small bows. I also got from Hello Bella, and I have a tutorial video. I did tutorials ready. I just had to film it. So hopefully I'll have time to do that. I'm going to go furniture shopping for new bedroom furniture tomorrow, so that's exciting. Anyway, I put these nice jewels that I got for $1 at Target, probably Halloween. There's a cajillion in here, and so far I've used, I don't like hardly any. So I did that. I used 3 different sheets of paper, this green and black paper, this peachy, orangey, and gold. These were scraps, the pink and white stripes. And then I started with this as the main color. So I pulled out one sheet of this, and then what would go well with it, which was the green and this one. So I made 4 rosettes, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 bows, 3 pockets, and we're going to make one together. And continue working on my book and stuff. So these are the things I made. So this is one. I only decorated this one pocket. And these pockets were made with one sheet of paper. I had enough for 4. I used whatever size a 6x6 piece of paper with the flap would make. I put one of the bows. This is one of the die cuts. Again, this is scraps. Oh, did something fall off? Yeah, that one fell off. Oh no. Well, good thing it's not over. I can fix that. I mean, thank goodness I have a whole jar. Anyway, so that, and this is the back, and inside I put a Just For You, one of the cut aparts from the paper pad. Slip it back in. And then these two I did not decorate yet. This one has this really pretty one, Thinking of You. I mean, if I'm putting all of these into the book or into little things, packets, or however you want to put it, then I mean, I could put this one on the front of this. I could put, you know, so that's why I try to do things with a common theme and group things. Happy birthday little tag. Slide it in. And there you go. So I wanted to also do, I was going to show you, I got the We Are Memory Keepers pocket punch board, and I am psyched out of my mind about it. That, so you can make this kind of envelope, which is the kind with the notch, or you can make this kind of envelope, which is the kind with the flap. Now I'm too close. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I will show you how this works because it's really cute, and it'll only take a second. So then I will have 4 pockets, 4 rosettes, and 8 bows for this week's share of use all of your, there's the little piece that fell off. I'll put it there. Use a whole paper pad in a month. So is where we're at right now. So yes, these pockets are for the tutorial I have coming up. And we're going to make one more of the flap pockets right now. Here is the scoreboard. Super nice. When you get it, it's all put together like this. There's a slot for your bone folder comes with, and underneath there's a, here it is, and this also pulls out with the handy dandy sheet that tells you exactly what size paper you need for what size thing you're making. So far so good, right? Okay, so I just looked up 6x6 and I found it right here. 6x6. I don't know if you can even, the sun and the everything, this is really weird. It's in the green, 6x6, and it would make a 2.75 by 4.5 inch pocket. Okay, so what you get here is how big your pocket will be, how big, where you put your guides, the size of paper you need for a flap pocket, and the size of paper you need for a notch pocket. So so you can see at least what's going on there. And it goes all the way, and then all the way that you can use 22.9 by 21. I don't know. This side isn't in English, so that might be metric, but we're just sticking with inches right now. So I know that if I'm doing a 6 by 6, right there, I need letter C and letter 2, a 6 by 6 piece of paper, and it comes with these little guides for you to use. And let me zoom out a little bit. So it comes with these two little peg things, and it tells you on the cheat sheet you want to put one in the letter C and the number 2. This says 1, 2, 3. So you want, there's a little arrow on top, if you can see, and you want it facing where your paper is going to go, which will be here. And it said the letter C. This is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we're going to point it where our paper is and the letter C. Now I'm going to open up these little guides for scoring and for just, I don't know, only for scoring. This, as you pick it up, you put it down. This is the guide for where you cut your paper. So now you take your paper, it's 6 by 6, so it doesn't matter which direction I have it coming, you know, I don't have to worry about it. So you push the paper all the way in. See, don't move it. What I'm saying, make sure you put that little thing down. Now here they put the handy dandy, that way, cutting tool, and that little dot underneath, well, that goes in the channel, and you just cut. I always go back just to be sure. Pop it back in here, open it up, that's garbage, one side down, flip it over to the exact same spot, put this down in the little channel. I always do it back and forth just to be safe. And then, because we're making, if we weren't making an envelope with a flap, we would be done, because then we would fold and fold, and this would be the bottom, like this guy. I know it's striped paper, so it's hard to see, but we're going to make the top just like the bottom. So put it back in, make sure, pull out our tool, pop it in here. There you go. Awesome. Flip it over. And now, make sure you put it in the channel. Not the other way. You're done. So now we get to score it. And what I like to do is make sure that because here, this is scoring across, this is scoring down, and we even have these little dotted imaginary score lines just so you can really line it up. But I like to line up my cut with the cut part, and because I can't see it on this side, I'm going to score it from this side. Sweet. And now I have to score it down also. I don't know if this is too far. I'm just going from the bottom. This is the imaginary line. Down, And now I'm going to flip it over. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm flipping. I'm just flipping we scored here and here. And now I'm going to score here and this one. And now we would be done with this because I'm not doing any notches because this won't have a flap. But this part here, it's got like a guide, and then you would put, I'm just using a scrap just to show you. See? That's a little notch. Fun. You out of the way. You go over there. And now I'm folding on the score lines. One. Make sure I'm in frame for you, even though this is just a little show and tell. And then this is my top flap. And there you go, flap envelope. I will glue it right now. What I like though is look how either way, when you cut it, I don't know how, but it ends up that this is, you see it's like a V. So I think that's great. It's essentially its own notch, you know what I mean? So what I do is see which one, like one of them fits over the other one nicer. Like I like how that one looks. So what I will do really quick, hopefully the glue works. And just put a line of glue there. Ta-da! And then a line of glue here, not all the way down. Like that. Oh, and I like to always put some here too. Not too far over. And that. There we go. We have a little pocket. So, okay. Awesome. And then it turns into something like this. So that's all I've got. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing my progress on hashtag no paper left behind. No paper left behind. Yes, no paper left behind. I'm going to finish that pad. I hope so. I'm working hard. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, how you think I'm doing. And stay awesome. Bye.